The basic categories of lens. The first one is the normal lens, or you can call this standard lens, that matches with human eyes. And it has 35 to 70 mm focal length. As you can see to the photo, you can use it into the medium view to see the nature of the crime. Wide angle lens. This lens has a small focal length. So ma'am, kung maliit po yung focal length niya po, mas focus po siya. At saka mas wide po yung napofocus na field of view niya. And it can be used for landscape to view the location. And it has 50 mm but typically 20 mm. Telephoto lens. Meron po siyang longer focal length. Tapos ginagamit po siya to provide close-up view of a distant subject. It has 70 mm focal length po. The macro lens. Macro lens has the abilities to shoot small details. Ginagamit po siya para po ma-magnify po yung mga fingerprints na nakukuha po sa crime scene po. At saka ginagamit din po siya for enlargement or close-up view. The last one is the zoom lens. Allows a quick adjustment to give wide, narrow field of view.